Were you successful? Let's do this together. It isn't too difficult. In challenge HTML, we again wanna start by extending. And that's always important. You need to extend. Otherwise, Django won't know on which template this template should be based. So here I'll again extend base HTML. And then again, we just wanna keep what's dynamic. So we remove that here, but then wrap this code here into block page title, like this, and block. We remove this, but we then wrap this h1 tag and the if statement here into block content. And of course also end that block here. Like this. And that should already be all. If we now save that and we go to an individual month, that works as before, but now again, we're based on that base template. And you could have different base templates for inheriting. You just need to define from which one you want to inherit in a specific template with extends. But then you can have as many base templates as you want. There's nothing wrong with that.